Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections to manage it. Lastly, click on your downloaded app that you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, mine has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!